Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to open Google Play Store in your Google Smart TV. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Google Smart TV homepage. Then from homepage right here, make sure you navigate to settings icon. So from setting icon, click on OK. And this is going to open up a setting box right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to apps. Then click on apps. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to see all apps. Click on that. Then it's take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down, continue to scroll down, and go to show system apps. Click on that. Then you have to continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down, scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to Google Play Store. Click on OK. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on Open. And you have your Google Play Store right here. Then from here, you can download and install any app of your choice or update any apps of your choice right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial about Google Smart TV like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.